Hello, I am DS Bhadoria, a retired forest officer of Madhya Pradesh Forest Department. I had served for 36 years, and today, on the special occasion of 5th June, on behalf of KSG, I want to address you and share some information about World Environment Day. This year, everyone is coming out with digital outreach due to COVID 19, and hence I also take this digital opportunity for spreading awareness in order to protect our planet Earth. Actually, the seed of Environment Day was sown in June 1972 when United Nations Conference on Human Environment was organized at Stockholm, the capital city of Sweden, and subsequently couple of years later from 1974 onwards we are celebrating World Environment Day every year. The theme capped of 2020 is biodiversity. Biodiversity is a very crucial for existence of this planet. There are around 8 million plants and animal species, and their protection and conservation is an indispensable service to the humanity. You know, we get almost everything from nature: the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even the climate that makes the planet habitable has a direct link with nature. So, we must care for nature because nature is sending us a clear and strong message in various ways. For example, recent forest fires of Australia and Brazil and USA, increasing events of ocean acidification, depletion of coral reef, mangrove forests, etc. So, it is our collective responsibility and fundamental duty to ensure the protection and preservation of flora and fauna, and ultimately safeguarding our planet by inspiring, educating, and encouraging the world population to live in harmony with the nature. And if we succeed in this initiative, I am sure many sustainable development goals will be achieved automatically. At last, I want to share a Sanskrit slok: Prakriti Rakshiti Rakshita. प्रकृति उन लोगों की रक्षा करती है जो प्रकृति की रक्षा करते हैं। और अंत में मेरा आपसे सभी यह अनुरोध है कि इस अर्थ में जो भी प्लांट्स हैं उनको हम बचाएं और अधिक से अधिक प्लांट लगाएं ताकि आने वाली जनरेशन को एक अच्छा हरा कल देकर जाएं। थैंक यू। स्टे सेफ।